Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Naturally. I'm Diana, and today we're talking about a topic that everyone needs to know: getting a haircut. Whether you're at a barbershop or salon, knowing the right phrases can help you communicate exactly what you want. In this video, I'll share some of the most common phrases you'll need when talking about haircuts, along with a couple of examples for each. Remember, after each phrase, I'll pause for a few seconds to give you a chance to practice. Let's get started. Phrase 1, I'd like a trim, please. First up, we have I'd like a trim, please. This is a polite way to ask for just a little bit of hair to be cut off. Here are a couple of examples. Example 1, I'd like a trim, please. Just take off about an inch. Example 2, I'd like a trim, please. Keep the length but tidy it up. Now, let's pause for a moment. Feel free to repeat the phrase out loud or in your head.
Oh, I got a trim.
Great. Let's move on. Phrase 2, can you cut it a bit shorter? Next, we have can you cut it a bit shorter? This is useful if you want a shorter style than what you currently have. Here are some examples. Example 1, can you cut it a bit shorter? Maybe take off another inch. Example 2, can you cut it a bit shorter? I want it to be above my shoulders. Take a moment to practice this one too. Awesome. Ready for the next one? Phrase 3, I'd like layers, please. I'd like layers, please is a great way to ask for a haircut with different lengths throughout. It's perfect for adding volume and texture. Here are some examples. Example 1, I'd like layers, please. I want them to be subtle. Example 2, I'd like layers, please. Can you make them more noticeable? Let's pause for a bit. Feel free to try it out. Perfect. Phrase 4, can you thin out my hair? If you have thick hair and want it to be more manageable, you can say, can you thin out my hair? This means removing some of the bulk. Here are a couple of examples. Example 1, can you thin out my hair? It's too thick and heavy. Example 2, can you thin out my hair? I want it to be easier to style. Let's take a moment to practice this one. Fantastic. Phrase 5, I'd like a fade haircut. A fade haircut is a popular style where the hair gradually gets shorter towards the bottom. You can say, I'd like a fade haircut. Here are some examples. Example 1, I'd like a fade haircut. Can you make it a high fade? Example 2, I'd like a fade haircut. I'd prefer a low fade, please. Take a moment to practice. Great job, yes. Phrase 6, how much will it cost? Before getting your haircut, it's always a good idea to ask, how much will it cost? To know what to expect. Here are a couple of examples. Example 1, how much will it cost for a trim and layers? Example 2, how much will it cost for a fade haircut and a beard trim? Let's pause for a moment. Excellent. That's it for today's video on common phrases for getting a haircut. I hope these phrases and examples help you feel more confident the next time you're at the barbershop or salon. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these phrases in real-life situations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Naturally for more useful tips and lessons. Until next time, keep practicing, stay positive, and happy learning. Bye for now.